there, home cooks! Ready to make a whole kilogram of cheese from just 1 quart of milk? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me, and I'll show you how to do it in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need 1 quart of whole milk. That's about 4 cups. Pour your milk into a large pot and heat it over medium heat until it's just about to simmer. Don't let it boil. We're aiming for around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot but not bubbling. Next, grab 1/4 cup of white vinegar or lemon juice. Slowly pour it into the hot milk while stirring gently. You'll start to see the milk curdle almost immediately. That's the magic happening. Stir for about 1-2 minutes until the curds fully separate from the whey. Now line a colander with a clean cheesecloth or a thin kitchen towel. Carefully pour the curdled milk mixture into the colander to drain. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to drain off the excess whey. You can give it a light squeeze to speed things up. Once it's drained, gather the corners of the cheesecloth and twist it to form a ball of cheese. Tie it up and hang it over your sink or a bowl to drain for another 5 minutes if you like a firmer texture. After that, unwrap your cheese, sprinkle a bit of salt if you like, and there you have it. 1 kilogram of fresh cheese from just 1 quart of milk. Perfect for spreading on toast, crumbling over salads, or just snacking on. So, give it a try and impress your friends with your cheese-making skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. See you next time, home cooks!